Guys, we're out on the Sammy for a quick ride. I've got the stereo and stuff in. Just got me and Bosco today. We're just fueled up. We're gonna hit up Butterfield Canyon to see how she does. Haven't been out in a few weeks, so we're gonna go test drive my repairs, make sure the shocks and stuff still hold up, and just to get out of the house mainly. Hey guys, I hope you guys can hear me. We're just heading up Butterfield Canyon now. It's mostly paved up towards the top, so it's not really an off-road video, I suppose, but I just kind of want to see how the Samurai does at lower road speeds. It's really underpowered. I need to have to address that eventually. And the speedo's off so far. It's really hard to tell how fast we're going. Right now we're doing about 30, I think. But I just want to see how bad it gets when we get to a steep road, how our climbing is. Because I know off-road it really struggles at that 10 to 15 mile an hour range. And especially like up steep hills, because first gear is not low enough with these tires, but then low range is too low with the low range kit that this has in it. 25 to 30, it's right in the good power range of third gear. If I get in the flats, I can go into fourth just to lower the RPMs, but going uphill, it's gonna go right to nothing. Yeah, so we'll see how we go. I think the top and back down the other side towards Tooele is still dirt. So hopefully we get on some dirt roads. I think there's a little trail right at the top. A little side trail that cuts off a few miles. I don't want to go too far off-road because I don't have anyone with me and I don't have any recovery gear. More just a nice Sunday leisurely drive. That's kind of my plan. Just hope I don't get too much traffic behind me where I hold people up. On this windy road, people shouldn't be going too fast. Get up here while it's still green before it all turns brown. Well, finally made it to some off-road. She definitely doesn't ride any smoother. It's not bad, it's not side-by-side ride comfort. Well, goes to show you how much I know. I thought this was a public road. But apparently this goes up onto Kennecott property for a hunting management. So I guess we'll stay out because it says no trespassing. I think we're going to go back and head down towards Tooele side and see if we can find a little spot for a break and some lunch. Bosco's actually doing really well. The door's off. He's usually a little scared, but he's just been laying, looking out the door. I've got him harnessed in where he can't. His leash is tied to where he can't get out of the door, so he's not going to fall out. I figured he'd go in the back and lay down, really. Okay, found this nice little lunch spot. Someone just wants to go. But so far, she's running fine. I think I need to not tear into, but just look into the... I think I'm leaking a little oil on the valve cover or something like that. Just when I get on pretty good up hills, it just drips down a little bit. It normally doesn't drip too bad on flat, but you can see on the just a few drops, and it only drips. Seems like when I'm on a pretty good hill. My shock repairs, because these are what I broke last time, is he just had a bolt welded to these brackets. And they just broke off, and this I drilled it out and got an actual shock mount bolt, so it's a lot heavier duty. Seems to be working fine so far for one trip. So hopefully we won't have any more broken shocks, or if we do, it's an easy fix. Definitely need to figure out something for power. She's still a gutless wonder, even on these mellow dirt roads. Okay, I'm going to give you a little bit of an idea on how low is. Okay, we're gonna start in second gear. I'm still in two-wheel drive, I don't have the front hubs locked in. We're gonna try to climb this little trail here. Hopefully I can do it without locking the hubs in. I think we'll be alright. I hadn't actually looked at this, I just saw it came out above on this switchback. Just as long as I can. Come on, Betsy. Yeah, as long as she can get traction, we're good. The problem with low range, and that's fourth, and the speedo is not moving yet. I got us up to 10, fourth. And there's fifth. And we're going 10. Which will be great for rock crawling because then I can kind of pick any gear I want for what I need. But for regular, like these kind of trails, a little too low. And where high range is almost too high. Bosco. People walking their dogs and he gets excited. He just doesn't like being on his leash. Normally he's off his leash at home and everything. So he gets a little annoyed when other people are loose and he's not. Well, I'm somewhat glad I don't trust this thing fully. The speed limit on this road is 10, which we're still going over that, but a lot of people are going faster. And I don't know about the narrowest thing you're going to find on here, and it's still too narrow for me and a car to pass in some spots. But people just cruise along. Don't seem to notice that there's other people around.